Migrant workers, once again, regarding their crisis. These are migrant workers who were desperate to go back home. They created an uproar over the non-availability of transport in Surat. The police and the migrants then clashed in the area. Angry migrants here who ended up vandalizing public property as well. The police has now resorted to using tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. This is how the situation has further intensified on ground. This is a group of migrant laborers who are not getting transport, saying that there is no availability of transport or facility provided as far as the movement of migrant laborers and workers in Surat is concerned to be headed back home. They have literally clashed with the police. This clash being intense to the extent not just lathi charge, in fact the police straight resorting to tear gas shelling instead to disperse the crowd. These are the images on your screens that we are getting in. Remember, there have been special trains that have been announced by the Central Railways, the central government, that would be provided to migrant workers here to be headed back to their hometowns. But these migrant workers who are stuck in Surat, saying that they're not being provided any facilities, they are desperate to go back home and have created an uproar over the non-availability of transport in Surat. So neither buses nor trains here provided to them to be headed back home. They hit the streets, clashed with the police here, and this is when the police now had to resort to tear gas shelling. Those are the images of the smoke of the tear gas shelling here that has taken place in the police there gathering in on one corner of the road in that intense clash with migrant workers. Our correspondent Disha is getting us further details here. Disha, please get us more inputs here. Who are these migrant workers? Which city do they belong to? And why haven't they still got transport? Yes, Disha, is my voice going through, please?
These are the instances that we are looking at, especially in the state of Gujarat. For multiple times in the last 1 week, we saw in different cities of Gujarat, and this time around, again, a large gathering has really occurred as far as at one of the locality. And Surat, of course, we all know is the hotspot, specifically in the state of Gujarat. So all of these migrants are only wanting to go back, and as we all know that there are several protocols in place for the migrants as well. So keeping in mind, of course, that how they saw that in the last 2 days, special trains are running, they are taking migrants back to their hometown. So definitely their demand in Surat was also the same, that even they want to go back home. And that is the reason a large gathering we saw, of course, flouting all the social distancing norms in the city of Surat. Which especially is a red zone at this point in time. Of course, Gujarat government has taken this very seriously as we speak. They're looking into the matter. And of course, as we all know that the center has also asked that how the migrants should be taken back. They trains have to be made for them to, for their transport purposes. So the government is looking into this matter.
All right. Disha, how many people were there? How many migrant workers exactly here? Because the clash was intense to the extent here that the police could not control the situation. They had to resort to tear gas shelling instead.
Well, definitely. At this point in time, what we know that the crowd was over and above at least 10,000 migrant workers is what we understand, laborers. And considering it was getting a little difficult on the ground level for police to manage the entire situation, they had to control the mob, to control the situation. They had to actually, lob the tear gas shells to control the entire situation. It took at least 3 hours for the police to bring the mob under control.
Right, Disha, please stay on with us. Once again, taking our viewers through these images on your screen that you see, is the police having to resort to tear gas shelling because a set of migrant workers immensely annoyed with not being provided transport. This is neither being provided buses or trains to be headed back home. Remember, This is an instruction that is coming from the central government that migrant workers be provided, they would be provided special trains or wherever not possible. Bus services is an option that is still being exercised as well. Disha, any assurance now that is coming from the Surat local administration, this issue that has been raised by migrant workers, and now undoubtedly it's not something that the state governments can be avoiding any longer, because this is an instruction that is coming from the center that your migrant laborers and workers be headed back home?